Today I show you an interesting cable organizer gadget. So I have here a charger, power delivery charger with 2 ports and 2 cables, and this is what I want to show you. This is the cable organizer. This is the cable organizer. It was very cheap, actually, pretty cheap. And you put the cable in there and it's supposed to be sitting there. I want to use this to keep the cables a little bit organized around here. So that's some information. Nothing fancy here. It's just some piece of plastic, but it's a smart design, I believe, made in Italy. Barcode. I don't know. I think I pinned it on all places. So let's open it up and see how it looks like. So there is a kind of a seal there. Okay. Oh, this has a piece of plastic on it. Maybe when I cut it inside, I don't know. I have no idea. Can't get rid of it now. Okay, let's see. Let's take them out. So nothing else in the box, very tiny box. And let's see the paperwork. I don't remember seeing them before. So the tape can damage delicate surfaces. That's just for compliance, so you can't complain to them. Okay, different languages, the same thing. So you clean, make sure the surface should not be wet. You remove the backing sticker, apply it, press for 10 seconds. Oh, and this is what I want actually. I want to put the cables like this. 24 hours, it should sit there to cure some stuff. That's the paperwork, and I want to see how these things, before I remove the sticker. This is 3M tape, so that's gonna be pretty strong. Let's see this one. So it's mounting tape. So it's mounting tape, this thing. Feels pretty strong. Yeah. So this is going to be strong. And I want to see, so you have 3 pieces. And this one will hold 2 cables. This one will hold 4 cables. And again 2 cables. So you have 2 of the same size and then a larger one. And I want to try them. So these 2 cables. Imagine this is on the wall. You can imagine this thing is on the wall here, like that. And then I put the cable in. And it fits pretty nice. And it will sit like this. It will not allow the cable to come out. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. The charging cables, the HDMI cable that goes into the camera, I want to put them here on a shelf like this. So they will be available. So when I need it, I'll remove the cable easily like this. When I don't need it, I can put the cable back and they sit there. One thing that is, you can imagine this thing is on the wall here, like that. And then I put the cable in. And it fits pretty nice. And it will sit like this. It will not allow the cable to come out. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. The charging cables, the HDMI cable that goes into the camera, I want to put them here on a shelf like this. So they will be available. So when I need it, I'll remove the cable easily like this. When I don't need it, I can put the cable back and they sit there. One thing that is not so great is that the dust might go into the USB-C cable, but there is a simple fix for that. I can mount this horizontally like that, so they don't sit vertically. They will be like this horizontally. So I'll put them like this and put them back. Pretty interesting system. It's very cheap. I thought I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah, the way they cut this one, it's a bit not perfect. So they didn't cut this one perfectly. That's all. Just fail. It's only plastic and it is a bit flexible, but not much. And it's just the right size for USB cables. And the HDMI cable also is pretty much the same size. That's it. I hope this helps you get an idea of cable organizers. I'll put this on a shelf here. You can mount this on furniture. You can put this on the wall, maybe not because it will damage the wall, but on a desk, on the side of a desk, on the edge of a desk, it's perfect. But you have to be careful with dust. If you mount it vertically, if you mount it like this horizontally and the cable sits vertically, dust might get into the cable easier. So I would prefer to keep it like that. That's it. Thanks for watching.